Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to Good Health Hub, your #1 stop for all things health and wellness. Our mission is to guide you on your journey to better health, one video at a time. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and share our videos with your loved ones. Today we're diving into the spice cabinet, specifically focusing on the top 3 reasons to add cinnamon to your diet. So, without further ado, let's delve into why you should be adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your diet. Starting off with our first reason, cinnamon is packed full of powerful antioxidants. But what exactly are antioxidants? Simply put, they are substances that help protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Now, imagine these free radicals like little wrecking balls, tearing through your cells and causing all sorts of havoc. Antioxidants are the superheroes that swoop in and neutralize these wrecking balls, preventing potential damage. And you know what's really exciting? Cinnamon, especially Ceylon cinnamon, is one of the top foods in terms of antioxidant content, surpassing even garlic and oregano. This humble spice is a powerhouse of protection, loaded with polyphenols, flavonoids, and phenolic acid. These are all fancy names for incredibly effective antioxidants. So consider adding a dash of cinnamon to your morning coffee or sprinkling it on your toast. With just a dash of cinnamon, you're fortifying your body with nature's best defense mechanism. Moving on to our second reason, cinnamon is a warrior against inflammation and diabetes. Let's start with inflammation. Inflammation is not always the enemy. In fact, it's your body's way of protecting itself from infection and injury. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. So where does cinnamon fit into this picture? Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These antioxidants work by reducing the levels of certain harmful substances in your body that can trigger inflammation. They essentially help your body fight off foreign invaders and repair tissue damage, thereby reducing the risk of chronic inflammation. Now let's switch gears and talk about cinnamon's anti-diabetic effects. Diabetes is a condition where your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or it resists insulin. And if you remember from your biology class, insulin is the hormone that regulates your blood sugar levels. Cinnamon shines in this area by reducing blood sugar levels and improving your body's sensitivity to insulin. It does this by slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, which in turn lowers the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream. It also mimics insulin, improving glucose uptake by your cells, though it works much slower than insulin itself. In essence, cinnamon is a double threat, battling both inflammation and high blood sugar. Our third and final reason is the heart protective effects of this aromatic spice. Cinnamon is a true champion when it comes to safeguarding your heart health. One of its remarkable benefits is its ability to reduce certain types of cholesterol. Specifically, it can lower levels of total cholesterol, as well as the bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, all of which are often linked to heart disease when present in high amounts. What's really fascinating is that while doing all this, cinnamon leaves your good HDL cholesterol stable, which plays a crucial role in removing the bad cholesterol from your body. But that's not all. Apart from managing cholesterol levels, cinnamon can also help reduce blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. By incorporating this spice into your diet, you're essentially giving your heart a protective shield against potential health issues. So, cinnamon doesn't just add flavor to your dishes, it also keeps your heart in check. So there you have it, 3 compelling reasons to add cinnamon to your diet. We've delved into the world of this humble spice and discovered its impressive antioxidant properties, which can help your body fight off damaging free radicals. We also explored the anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic effects of cinnamon, shedding light on how it could potentially assist in managing blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation. Lastly, we touched on how this aromatic spice can protect your heart health, a crucial aspect of overall wellness. Cinnamon is more than just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. So why not start incorporating it into your meals? A sprinkle here and there can truly make a difference. Remember, a sprinkle of cinnamon goes a long way. Thank you for tuning in to Good Health Hub. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.